Viggo's Kitchen. Today we're making homemade whipped cream. And the first thing that's very important is to keep your whisk attachments and a stainless steel bowl inside the fridge to keep them cool for about 15 minutes. I'm going to introduce you to the items and ingredients. A teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, a mixer, and a spatula. Now let's follow me over to the fridge. And we also need 1 cup of heavy whipping cream that is 35%. And now let's go and get the stainless steel bowl and the whisk attachments. When you're putting the whisk attachments on, make sure that these sides, how they're out. There's tiny slits there, and with those tiny slits, you need to put them in with the parts that are sticking out. And when you hear that click sound, that means it's secure. And now it's time to add the ingredients. First, we're going to start with the whipping cream. Now the powdered sugar. And next, the vanilla extract. And now we're going to stir on low. Now let's take a peek. It looks good already. Let's keep stirring for a little. Let's take a tiny peek right now. Ooh, it's already starting to form something. Want to take a peek? It's starting to make the mountains. Now let's start stirring again. Everything's going great. Now let's check if it's ready. It already looks like there's starting to be little peaks. Let's take a peek. It's looking pretty good. Now we're going to use the spatula to get the rest of the stuff out. When it's really good, it's kind of really hard to get the stuff out. It looks so good. And now we're going to put it in the serving bowl. But first, let's clear our area. Now we're going to add it in with a spatula. It looks great. And now we are here. Now let's take a taste. This is so good. What do you think? Should we try it with strawberries? Let's try. These these are the best types of strawberries. Let's try. That was so good. I love it. It's so good. If you like this video, please subscribe and please press the like button. Thank you for watching Viggo's Kitchen. See you next recipe.